All right, what up? We back. We're gonna finish the bike today. We were gonna finish it last week, but a couple of things happened. I accidentally had the camera in time-lapse mode for most of it, so the video's 3 seconds long. But what we did last week was we took her apart, started to put her back together, and realized that I had ordered the wrong parts. We had the wrong side of the body in the back, and the taillight that we ordered was the same taillight that we had ordered before, but it showed up. I'll show you what it's doing. I'll show you. Here, I'll show you right now. So here's the taillight we ordered. Looks identical to the last one we ordered, and it came from AliExpress. Same exact manufacturer that I ordered it from before. The whole deal, dude. Same person. Let me show you what it does. Right? Then when you hit the brakes, that's me squeezing the brakes. And I could live with that if it would strobe and then go solid, but it never goes solid. It just sits there and strobes, and that's aggravating. I don't know, man. I don't think anybody sitting behind me is gonna want to see that the whole time. So we're not gonna use that. Instead, TST. Yeah, boy. They went down 25 bucks or 30 bucks. It was 129. Now it's 100. Got the legit real shit. Boop. And it's got all plugs and stuff. We're about to have to rewire all this shit again, and we don't know. Just plug it all and plug and play. This thing right here, look, if y'all want it, let me know. You can have it. I'll mail it to you. If you're broke and you want a taillight, or you need a taillight because you got in a wreck or something, hit me up. I'll send this thing to you. This is only 25 bucks, so you can have it. Experiment with it. Put it on your stunt bike, whatever you want to do. Hit me up. Look, I'll even put the plastic wrap back on it. There you go. See? Good as new. Here's the broken one. Put this one back together, dude. I just snapped it all back together. And honestly, once you put it on and put all the body panels on it, all the damage is covered up. But I imagine it would fill up with water. But then it would just drain out the bottom. So, you know, hey, if you want this, hit me up. I'll fucking send you this. Literally, just plug this in and then wire your 2 hots on your blinkers and you're good to go. Hit me up. Alright, so we got to transfer the rubbers and stuff from here to there. TST came with nothing. It didn't come with anything. This one came with a bunch of shit. I think the TST came with a couple of the rubbers, but not all of them. This one came with all that shit. These things. These on the sides. It's kind of cold in here today, so I had the heater on. My bad. All right, speed nuts. Living up to their name. I'm a speed nut. Wait. No, I'm not. Ooh, all one wire too. That's cool. Dude, TST is really on top of it, man. I dig their parts. I dig the way they do business. I'll tell you a little TST story. I got their turn signals on the front of that bike. And one of them is right here. One of them, after about, I don't know, 3-4 months, maybe 5, did this. I don't even know if you'll be able to see that on camera. See a little cloudy spot? See, here's the other side. And a little cloudy spot. That LED stopped working right there too. And I sent him an email. I was like, yo, is this common on these things? You know, should I just go with a different brand or whatever? And he's like, fuck that, we'll send you one. So they sent me another one 3 months later. I just emailed him. Squeaky wheel gets grease. Tail light. Boom. We just gotta figure out which turn signal's which. There we go. Alright, and then we want, that's what we want, and we want, nope. That's what we want. Just a regular old brake light. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, bro, modes. So it looks like gray is left and black is right. So, at least on this bike. Hell yeah, dude. Alright, we're good. Man, this thing is literally, I think, ready to put on. Alright, boys. Getting this girl back together. This is exciting. Scary at the same time, because like I said, I ain't started her yet. I know she ran home. Is she gonna leak? Oh, what's wrong, you know? Is she gonna fucking have issues? Who knows? Tuck that dude in there. Oh yeah, tuck it. Tuck it. Alright, bro. Stuff this in there. Like yo. Boom. Just jam this crap all back in there. Done, son. That's pretty. Alright, tail lights installed, man. We getting back to it. I left this off for a reason. Oh, I know why. This is 30 times easier. To do it the other way. Alright, we have to actually assemble this. This is gonna go in here. This was my first clue that I had the wrong part. Was I was trying to fit that in there and it wouldn't fit. It didn't make any sense, and then I realized that's because you're looking at the wrong side. It was gone when I got home. Then when I took the panel off, it was inside of there. We got her. What I like to do with these things, I use a little socket. It's perfect. Taking them off is a pain in the ass, but using a socket to put them on is the shit, dude. Put this one in here. Come on, baby. Get in there. Yep. And then. Of course, the last one's gonna give me shit, huh? Always. There we go. She on. And then this little dude goes back here to pad, I guess, the part against the taillight. I can't believe somebody even stocked this. It's a shelf. There's a shelf tray with a bunch of these in it somewhere. Okay. Yes. Try not to lose that. Dude, try not to lose that. I already lost it. Where's it at? All right, let's put it back on, baby. Yeah. Oh, I'm missing something. I see it already. Well, I just realized that I've been recording this in the wrong mode. So it's gonna be super view this time. And we're missing some fucking speed nuts. I don't know, the 2 speed nuts that go here, I must have taken them off the old one and put them somewhere and not in the thing where they go. So, oh well for that now. Have to order some more. Life is waiting on parts right now. Buy this pad separate. Gotta buy all that stuff separate. Nice, bro. Nice. Nice, clean lines and everything. Looks good. Okay. All right. What else? These 2 bad boys are for this thing. But we're missing one of the speed nuts, so damn it. They're definitely somewhere in this garage, but this garage is full of crap. We'll find them. Very easy to put back on. I think that's it. I think this can go back on now. And I ordered the proper screw. I ordered some stuff. All right. Boom. The fact that everything's lining up tells me she probably ain't crooked. All the holes is lining up when you snap shit together. So that's a good sign. As dumb as this is, these little screws that go in here, first off, they had the wrong one in there. They had this one. So while I was ordering all the parts, I ordered another one to match the other side. That's what it's supposed to look like. And neither one of them have these things, which you will never see in this bag. Are they fucking in here? Oh, yeah. It's this little nylon washer. See that? Boop. To keep your screw from scratching the fairings, I guess. Yeah, dude, OEM shit. Like that. I swear these bags look empty. Yeah, dude. Next week, we're gonna be riding this girl. I still don't want to do shit till I know these forks are straight and that the front end's lined up and all that stuff. So we're gonna have, like I said, we got somebody coming with a front stand, help us out with that. New seats, who this? I haven't even seen this thing with the seats on it yet. Classy. Classy for my assy. I'm trying not to strip this out. These are fucking weird, man. They're going in an odd angle. I had to change that whole seat pan, this little mount part, because they had stripped that side out. Maybe I'll cut this part into the seat video. Whew. I think the last step for today is gonna be put some rubbing alcohol on here and clean her up some. Make sure there ain't nothing gonna cause this bad boy to fall off. This thing doesn't go just straight up and down. It goes at like an angle a little bit. That's how it goes. It looks like it's pointed back just a little bit. All right, dude. Yes. This thing's looking like a bike again. As long as she ain't leaking water nowhere, we're good. That's the only thing is there was leaking coolant. At the end of everything, when I got home, I found coolant down here. It might have came dumping out that reservoir though. It might have came out the reservoir tube. That's kind of what I was thinking. Everything looks straight. Nothing is cracked, dude. Nothing is cracked. So I think we're good, man. I fucked up. I'll tell you what I did. I fucked up and I sprayed this thing with degreaser. Like that purple shit when I was washing it. You know, I'd ran through the rain, so I was like, oh, I'll spray it with the purple shit. Don't fucking do that. Don't spray your engine with purple shit because it like burns the paint. It kind of burned the paint a little bit. You only see it when you point a flashlight at it really, but I see it and I know it and it pisses me off. All right, dude, I think we're done. There's no more parts left except for the fender. All this is cracked. So got us a new one, ready to go. Boom. And then we probably are going to need these things too, I imagine, because I think they're now broken as well. But maybe not. Shit might work once we put it all back together. This thing makes the whole thing look bent, and it could be that all of it's twisted. I don't know. We'll find out. And then this dude, eventually. You can buy this tip on Revzilla, which is cool, except we got all this is fucked up too. If we could buy this sleeve, dude, I could put this whole bitch back together, man. I'll just redo her. I'll redo the rivets and just put this scratched up plate back on. Just a little reminder, you know. Look. That's all stuff that don't matter though. Little screed, little screed, screed. Oh my goodness, see how I went into it right there? That's right what a weep hole is. And I was pretty sure this was leaking water before. That weep hole was leaking water just like the silver bike was. So this thing probably is gonna have to get the water pump done soon too. I don't know, maybe we sell her. We can sell this thing, dude. I should have totaled it out. They'd have gave me a fat check We still might be totaling out. We ain't fired this bike up in a while. Let's just do that. She still got it. She sounds good too, huh? Still works. Woo! Jeez. All right, I feel better. Let's get that radiator screw in. I keep calling it a radiator screw, but it's actually a radiator cap screw. It's a little set screw for your radiator cap. Something was smelling funny. It's like, but it smelled like burning dust, and this thing has been collecting dust. She cranked right up though, huh? Oh, I can't wait to ride this bike again. Fuck, I'd go ride it today, honestly, but it's raining and cold. Crappy. Well, around here, dude, April showers bring May flowers, dude. It rains all April and May here. Weird. Then it doesn't rain at all ever again for the rest of the year. Definitely looks cool. Makes the bike look more expensive, I feel like, you know? The Daytona had the same kind of seat, Lumimoto, but it had like suede. It was cool. I better not be no damn lump. Alright, Bossalinas. We getting there, bro. We almost done. I can't wait to ride this thing again, man. It's gonna be an exciting day. Oh, you're a Bossalina too, Minnie. Minnie's a Bossalina. Love you guys. Thanks for hanging out while we do this. I know it's boring. But people are like, hey, when you putting a bike together, I want to see it. So, putting it together. Spit it out. Spit that shit. What are you eating? The fucking beauty of having dogs, right? Alright, man. Hey, thank y'all for real. Bossalina out. Love y'all.